Tacos.
Cheese and dairy. I know it's cliche for a Frenchman, but it's true.
Ramen noodles.
Cookies.
Favorite color is blue.
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 Orange.
Haagen-Dazs strawberry.
Pistachio.
Mint chip.
Plain, vanilla, low quality fast food ice cream.
The Princess Bride.
Favorite movie is Proxima. It's named after my first mission. It's the story of a female astronaut, European, French woman going to space.
Anything with Bourne or Bond.
It's hard to say. A couple of Japanese mystery books.
Extreme ownership.
I love books, so I can't choose just one.
I don't have any. I read a lot of books, and I think if I had a favorite one, I would stop reading. But like every new one is my favorite book, and that's what I keep reading.
I like skiing.
Basketball.
Rugby.
Golf.
I don't dance.
I've been here long enough, not falling for it.
A moonwalk. Easy, but not really. That's the single ladies choreography.
The 90s were pretty great.
That's when I fell in love, got married.
That's when I was in college and the music was really great.
Kids were born in the 90s. I had some great jobs of flying Apache helicopters and jumping out of airplanes.
Every decade is the one we're in. I think things get better.
Mean drivers.
Inefficiency.
I don't have anything. Nothing bothers me.
I do have a superpower, and it's to make kids happy. Sometimes, they want a selfie or an autograph, and you make them happy, and I think that's a really cool superpower to have.
To fly.
I would have to say fly.
Flying, obviously.
Rom-coms. I never watch movies, but sometimes when I do, I end up with, feel-good, happy ending love stories.
Ice cream.
Well, chocolate, but I don't actually feel all that guilty about it.
Parent.
Being a parent,
Parent for sure.
it's not even close.
My wife.
Friends and families.
My husband.
I'd say my partner in life. She's the funniest person in the world.
My dad.
Amanda Gorman.
I think my parents are really normal people who takes responsibilities at the local level and try to do the good things.
Coffee.
Tea.
Coffee, definitely.
Tea.
Build a sandcastle.
I think I'd hop on a rover and go cruising around all day.
Look for footprints.
Probably do backflips. I was on a parabolic flight with Mars gravity and moon gravity. I can do a double backflip in moon gravity, but I'm not quite sure on Mars, but I would try it.
I think it's Russian language, and one of my former crewmates told me, for Russian language, the first 10 years are the hardest, so I think that's pretty accurate.
I think the volume and the variety is what makes it hard, but that's also what makes it great.
Sugar.
I do. I do have a call sign, but I cannot tell you what it is and why.
Leave it there.